There are moments while driving that you replay in your head and realize how close you came to something irreversible. This was one of those moments for me, and full self driving completely changed the outcome.
I just wanted to share something that happened to me recently that made me realize how lucky I am to be using FSD. So, as a huge animal lover, one of my personal driving anxieties has always been hitting an animal, whether it's a squirrel, which we get here all the time, or someone's beloved pet. One of my hardest childhood memories is watching my own dog chase a cat across the street and get hit and killed by an oncoming car. So, with that being said, making responsible driving decisions that keep all living things safe, whether it's me, the person driving next to me, or wildlife and pets, has always been a serious thing on my mind because our cars are powerful and driving is a privilege that I certainly don't take lightly. So, one evening, I was at this extremely busy intersection on the Pacific Coast Highway.
My light had turned green, and as FSD was heading toward the intersection, it started slowing down even though the light was still green. I thought it was making a mistake, and I was about to press the accelerator to keep going when this appeared right in front of me. It is pretty dark, but here you can see the dog standing at the corner first before he runs across the street. And this is the scene in slow motion. Now the dog is shown in my left pillar camera, and fortunately enough, he does make it all the way across the street.
I literally could not believe my eyes. This poor dog was running across 8 lanes of traffic in the dark against a green light. I was in the third lane and couldn't see it coming at all because the car on my right was blocking my view. But if I'd been driving manually, I would have 100% hit that dog, no question. I'm just so grateful the cars in the 2 lanes to my right saw it and stopped. The protected left turn lanes had a red, and the lanes in the opposite direction had already cleared out. So, as you can see in the footage, miraculously, the dog made it safely to the other side of the street.
Now, I did check later and saw my right pillar dash cam caught the owners watching it all happen, and my heart really goes out to them. I don't know what ended up happening, but I hope that dog is safe and back with its family.
There are so many reasons to love FSD. For someone like me, it makes me feel safer and reduces even that low level driving anxiety. And for others, it gives back independence and mobility they thought they had lost. I know I feel so much more secure on the roads with it, especially after this incident showed me how game changing it is to have eyes all around the car. In this case, it was literally a matter of life and death. I honestly don't even want to drive a short distance without it on now, just in case something pops up that I just don't see in time. I know I want to be the safest driver I can possibly be, and FSD has definitely earned my trust in helping me to do just that. FSD saves lives of both the 2-legged and 4-legged kind. If you're still on the fence about trying FSD, I hope the story gives you something to consider. And if you're an FSD user like me, let me know in the comments if you can relate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.